Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to write marketing emails with ActiveCampaign. This feature can save you tons of time by generating professional email copy automatically. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the ActiveCampaign dashboard where all your marketing tools are accessible. Next, look at the left side menu and click on Email. This section houses all your email campaigns, both active and draft versions. It's your central hub for managing email marketing within ActiveCampaign. Now you have two options here. You can either choose an existing campaign that you've already created or start fresh by creating a new campaign from scratch. For this tutorial, I'll be working with an existing campaign to show you how the AI writing feature integrates into your workflow. Click on your existing campaign to open it up. Once it's open, move your cursor over the image or preview of your campaign, and you'll see an option appear. Click on Edit Design. This takes you into the visual editor where you can customize every element of your email. In the editor, you'll need to add or select a text element. You can either click on an existing text block or drag a new text element into your campaign layout. This is where the AI magic happens, so make sure you've got your text element ready to work with. Once you've clicked on the text element, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a text box that appears below the heading. What is this text about? This is where you'll provide context to the AI about the type of content you need. Type in a brief description of what you want the text to accomplish. For example, you might write something like introduce a new product discount or announce a webinar invitation. The more specific you are, the better the AI can tailor the content to your needs. Once you've entered your description, click the Generate button. Now the AI will take a moment to process your request and create content based on what you've described. Just be patient and wait for it to generate the text. This usually takes just a few seconds, but depending on server load, it might take a bit longer. Once the generation is complete, the AI will present you with suggested content that you can review. Read through the generated text to see if it matches your campaign's tone and message. The AI typically provides well-structured copy that you can use as is or modify slightly. If you're happy with what the AI has created, simply click Use this content. This will automatically insert the generated text into your email campaign, replacing or filling in the text element you selected earlier. And there you have it. You've just used AI to write marketing email content in ActiveCampaign, making your email creation process faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.